Welcome to the Wealth Expedition channel. In today's fast-paced world, finding ways to generate passive income is a goal for many. Passive income allows you to earn money while you sleep, freeing up time for your passions and pursuits. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 side hustles for passive income, along with their potential daily and monthly earnings. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or build a nest egg for the future, these side hustle ideas can help you achieve your financial goals. Before we get started, please subscribe, like, and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss future videos. 1. Freelancer. Freelancing has become an increasingly popular way to work in today's digital age. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have revolutionized the way individuals can offer their skills and services to clients worldwide. Your potential monthly earnings as a freelancer can vary widely based on your skills, experience, and the demand for your services. As you gain experience, your income will be more, while experienced professionals can generate up to $10,000. How to get started. To start freelancing, identify your skills and niche, create a portfolio, build an online presence on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, set competitive rates, establish a legal and financial framework, network and market yourself, pitch for jobs, deliver exceptional work, cultivate client relationships, and focus on continuous learning and growth. 2. Rental properties. Investing in rental properties can be a smart financial move, providing a steady stream of passive income. However, it's important to carefully calculate your monthly rental income by factoring in expenses such as mortgage payments, maintenance costs, and property management fees. By deducting these expenses from the total amount earned through rent. For example, if your property earns $5,000 per month and expenses amount is $2,000, your monthly passive income is $3,000. How to get started. To start in rental properties, research the market, secure financing, choose and manage properties wisely, comply with regulations, attract good tenants, track finances, and stay informed for success. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Prosper and Lending Club allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments and earn up to $1,500 monthly on the basis of your investment. How to get started. To start in peer-to-peer lending, begin by researching reputable platforms like Prosper or Lending Club. Create an account, complete necessary identity verifications, and deposit your desired funds into the account. Next, carefully select loans to fund based on risk and return preferences, aiming for a diversified portfolio. Continuously monitor the loan performance and interest payments to optimize your investment returns. 4. Create an online course. One lucrative way to earn income is by creating an online course on platforms such as Udemy or Teachable, especially if you possess expertise in a specific field. By designing and developing a comprehensive course that covers the necessary topics, you can attract interested learners who will enroll and pay for access to your content. This can lead to passive income generation as more individuals sign up for your course. However, it's important to note that successful marketing strategies are crucial in promoting your course and attracting potential students. With effective promotion tactics, you can potentially earn up to $1,000 per month. So, why not leverage your knowledge and skills to create an engaging e-learning experience that benefits both you and eager learners? How to get started. To create an online course, begin by selecting a topic that resonates with your target audience. Outline the course content, structure, and learning objectives. Choose a suitable platform. Then develop engaging course materials such as video lectures, quizzes, and supplementary documents. After thorough testing, launch your course and actively gather feedback from learners to make necessary improvements. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which individuals or businesses, known as affiliates, earn commissions for promoting products or services of other companies. The affiliates promote these products or services through their own marketing efforts, such as websites, blogs, social media, email campaigns, or other online platforms. By promoting products or services through affiliate programs, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your referral links, depending on the niche and effort, resulting in monthly income up to $5,000 per month. How to get started. To start affiliate marketing, choose a niche, Select affiliate products, join affiliate programs, create valuable content, incorporate affiliate links, drive traffic to your platform, and optimize for conversions to earn commissions. 6. Self-publishing ebooks. If you enjoy writing, consider self-publishing ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Publishing your own ebook is one of the most popular ways to make money, which can potentially make $1,000 plus a month. Depending on the type of ebook you publish, eBooks author can make up to 70% royalty per book, which could yield thousands per month on a successful book. The potential earnings for an ebook author who receives a 70% royalty can vary widely based on several factors, including the book's price, its popularity, the target audience, marketing efforts, and overall sales strategy. How to get started. To start self-publishing ebooks, write and edit your book, create an eye-catching cover, format the content for e-readers, choose a platform like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, set a price, publish, and promote your ebook through various online channels. 7. Online tutoring. Earning money through online tutoring requires dedication, professionalism, and effective teaching skills. Utilizing platforms like Chegg and Tutoring.com can further enhance your reach and income potential. As you gain experience and build a positive reputation on these platforms, you can attract more students and increase your income through their extensive networks and resources. On the other hand, tutor working 10 to 20 hours per week and earn up to $1,800 per month. How to get started. To start online tutoring, identify your expertise and target audience, set up a quiet and well-lit workspace, choose a reliable online tutoring platform, create a detailed profile showcasing your skills, set reasonable rates, and promote your tutoring services through social media, education forums, or tutoring websites. Conduct sessions, gather feedback, and continuously improve your teaching methods. 8. Create a mobile app. Developing a mobile app with in-app advertisements or paid features can lead to substantial passive income. 16% of Android developers earn over $5,000 per month with their mobile apps, and 25% of iOS developers make over $6,000 per month. How to get started. Creating a mobile app starts with a clear idea of what problem it will solve or what value it will provide. Conduct thorough market research to understand user needs and preferences. Design the app's user interface, considering usability and aesthetics. Decide on the development approach: iOS, Android, hybrid, or cross-platform, React Native, Flutter. Choose appropriate development tools and technologies based on your approach. Build the app, ensuring it functions smoothly and is bug-free. Test the app rigorously on various devices. Optimize its performance, security, and user experience. Finally, launch it on app stores and market it effectively. 9. YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel around a niche you're passionate about. Monetize your videos through ads, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. Depending on your content and audience size, as your channel grow, your earning increases. You can earn up to $10,000 per month. To generate passive income from YouTube, you need to first monetize your channel. For monetizing a YouTube channel, choose a niche, create and optimize your channel. Produce quality content, stay consistent, promote and engage with your audience, collaborate with others, analyze performance, aim for 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, then apply for monetization once eligible. Patience and dedication are crucial for success. How to get started. To begin a YouTube channel, select a niche that aligns with your interests or expertise. Research your target audience and popular trends. Create a YouTube account and customize your channel's profile and branding. Invest in essential recording equipment like a camera, microphone, and lighting. Plan your content strategy, outlining the topics and formats for your videos. Record and edit your videos professionally. Aim for consistent uploads to keep your audience engaged and growing. Interact with your viewers through comments and feedback to foster a sense of community and connection. 10. Dropshipping and e-commerce. Dropshipping is a business model commonly chosen by entrepreneurs looking to establish an e-commerce venture with relatively low risk and upfront investment. Dropshipping offers a low-risk way to start an e-commerce business, but it's not a guaranteed path to success. Starting an e-commerce side hustle doesn't guarantee success due to intense competition, market saturation, trust building challenges, and logistical complexities. To enhance your odds of success, carefully choose a niche, differentiate your offering, build an intuitive website, provide quality products and exceptional service, implement effective marketing strategies, optimize for mobile, leverage customer feedback, ensure efficient logistics, use data analytics for insights, and continuously adapt and improve your business based on industry trends and customer preferences. Remember, patience and dedication are essential in this competitive landscape. Let's talk about the popular sites like Etsy, Amazon, Poshmark, eBay, and Shopify are all popular e-commerce platforms that enable individuals and businesses to buy and sell products online. Each platform has its own unique features, target audience, and selling product. How to get started. To begin dropshipping or e-commerce, choose a niche and target audience, conduct market research, select reliable suppliers or products, set up an online store like Shopify, WooCommerce, design an appealing website, establish payment and shipping processes, create engaging product listings, and implement marketing strategies to attract customers and drive sales. These top 10 side hustles for passive income offer diverse opportunities to secure your financial future. While they require varying levels of initial effort and investment, the potential for daily and monthly earnings is substantial. Remember that building passive income streams takes time and patience. With dedication and persistence, you can turn these side hustles into significant sources of passive income, bringing you closer to financial freedom. Thank you for visiting the Wealth Expedition channel. Remember to subscribe and like the video. Come back and see us again.